Oh! Hey guys, so I've been watching Avatar: The Last Airbender recently, and I really like the character Appa, the flying bison. So I want to make one. So I'm going to. And that's what we're doing today. We're making Appa. Let's go! All done! How cruel! I've just done the core structure. I also made the legs PVC pipes, so I really like how that turned out. I think he's gonna be amazing. Stay tuned for the next video where I'm gonna finish him completely. If you want to follow me on any social medias, all of those links are down below. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.